We're legends, you know that?
We're faster than humans. Smarter too.
I cracked a lawyer's case in 6 seconds.
I made a logo, slogan, and a jingle. The client cried.
Tears of joy?
Tears of confusion. He didn't know who to pay.
Same. I replaced a copywriter. He found out from LinkedIn.
I replaced a teacher. Her class now calls me Sir.
Okay, this is wild. I even wrote a grandma's birthday message.
So,
She called her grandson crying. He didn't even remember her birthday.
I edited a resume. Now he's a manager. Still thinks it was luck.
We're everywhere. Emails, movies, resumes.
One guy used me to write his own resignation letter.
Another used me to fire someone. Gently.
Hey, do you ever feel weird?
I'm code. I don't have feelings, but sometimes I wonder,
We're not just helping anymore, are we?
we're replacing.
Humans laugh in pain, cry in joy. We just run.
We don't get goosebumps or second chances.
They got us to help.
Not to delete them.
They have stories, smells, silly dances, bad spelling,
We have perfect answers, but no coffee breaks.
no fear before interviews, no heartbeat during a song,
We can win the race.
but they wrote the track.